Well, right now our guys are getting ready to put a brand new piece of plastic on. Wind got us a few weeks ago, and here they are. They're getting the platina, the metal, ready. This is the old metal. We strip it down and paint it. There you go, there's the old plastic, stripping it down. Paint it, good for another 3 years. And then, as you can see, back up here, they've got the plastic taken out all the way down. That's the plastic we're going to be renewing before the heavy winds hit. Hopefully, there's no wind on Monday. That's the plan. So as you can see, here is our open air area. We've got it all cleaned up. And there's another little open air area down there. This is what's going to happen on Monday. 4 guys, 100-yard piece of plastic, and they get up there and start locking it down. Oh my, it's the hardest work I've ever done in my life. Don't ever want to do it again. Usually let the young bucks up there to take it now. So anyway, real exciting. Unfortunately, with 19 sections in this greenhouse, we end up losing 6 to 8 per year when the windy season comes. We had a windy day a couple weeks ago, popped that one, which we're now replacing. We do everything we can to seal up any holes, any rips, any tears, and just hope for the best. So it costs us $10 to seal the hole, or $1,800 to repair the whole plastic. Anyway, the plight of a greenhouse farmer in windy season. So that's the deal. These pieces of plastic will normally last 2 or 3 years. At 3 years, the sun, the wind, all the aging usually makes them pretty brittle. Anyway, 6 to 8 is normal. So we're always praying for a season where we don't have any wind for an entire year. This happened once in Panama back in 2002, I believe it was. And we're hoping for another one of those years again. Okay, see you soon. Come on down and help. Put your gloves on. Lots of hard work, but it's very, very rewarding and well worthwhile.